Many consider jazz to be the birth of modern musical styles, and the genre as a whole is incredibly diverse. Jazz originated in the early 1900s in New Orleans, Louisiana, where musicians like King Oliver and Louis Armstrong borrowed from blues, ragtime, and even New Orleans funeral music. The style became insanely popular and spread quickly. By the 1920s and 30s, other jazz capitals popped up around the United States, such as Chicago, Kansas City, and New York City, which to this day is the jazz capital of the world. Jazz music has had a huge impact on the evolution of modern music, and we want to highlight the beautiful music and history of the genre with the Jazzy June Challenge. For the month of June, earn entries into a drawing for a $100 Amazon gift card or a Jazzy June t-shirt by getting at least 96% on any of the jazz songs in the library marked with a golden ticket symbol. For those of you who already enjoy jazz, we hope this is a fun way to play more jazz in Piano Marvel. And for those of you who haven't been exposed to much jazz, we hope this is a great opportunity to learn a new style that you might love.